Definitely pretty incredible to see that.
Yeah, absolutely. It only takes one storm, Corinne, to really make an entire hurricane season. It was the same thing back in '92. I wasn't born then, full disclosure, but in '92 it was Hurricane Andrew, which moved over South Florida as well on the Atlantic side. But again, that caused a lot of damage, and part of the reason we talk about the '92 hurricane season is the fact that, well, it was a damaging storm, but it was only one major hurricane that year.
Yeah, and this is definitely, Ian, is a major hurricane. What's become of this storm since then?
So the storm itself, still a few remnants. It's a remnant low over the northeast, but we are still tracking the tropics. We are not 100% done with the hurricane season yet. That will end November 30th, but we're still technically in that peak time frame. September to early October is where we do tend to see those storms popping up, and this is a prime example of that. Folks, this was nothing yesterday, but this continues to churn over the Leeward Islands to the east of Barbados there into the north of South America, and this will push into the Caribbean here in the coming days, and it has a decent chance of developing. Look at this, 60% chance it develops over the next 48 hours, over the next 5 days. I do expect about an 80% chance of it developing into a named storm. So first it would go tropical wave, then tropical depression, and then tropical storm, potentially hurricane after that. But on satellite and radar, nothing at all going on here in East Texas or North Central Texas near the DFW area. You got to look further off to the west. Showers, maybe some high mountain snows for the Sangres there in northern New Mexico, southern Colorado. That's all because there's a front moving in. There's a piece of energy that's come off of Arizona that continues to deliver a few showers out there. But for us, we are completely dry. Here are your temperatures, 60s and 70s here in East Texas. We're down to 68 in Amarillo. Lufkin is one of the cooler spots across the state this evening. It's 57 in Marshall. You compare that to Tyler, it's an 18-degree temperature difference, and that's something we do see, especially at this time of day. 75 in Tyler, 67 in Longview. It was a cool start this morning. No 40s or anything like that, but those low temperatures were in the 50s. Those high temperatures this afternoon were in the middle to upper 80s. Now, here's tomorrow's forecast. Almost a carbon copy of what we saw today. We will warm up quickly. We'll see those highs in the 80s and lower 90s. But as we look at your East Texas 7-day forecast, again, upper 80s, lower 90s for at least the next 2 days. Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday. Plenty of sunshine around. Those lows should remain in the 50s and 60s. For the latest weather forecast, you can head on over to fox51.com.